This is breaking news for Arirang Radio. A monster, a beast, has appeared in the Arirang Radio live studio, breaking down the whole studio. A monster of a radio DJing, original monster idol of first or 1.5 or second generation, a monster dancer, a monster actress who can apparently perform 7 different characters at once, and now a monstrous idol teacher. Yes, 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 ladies and gentlemen, the one and only sexy beast, Stephanie!
Oh my goodness, what oh wow. You know, I always
Welcome
like
back.
to make a big entrance, but wow.
I thought you were going to do some
am I
turns
blushing
and
right
flips.
now?
You are. I thought you were going to do some
you are.
turns and flips.
This is so embarrassing. Hi, everyone. Yes, it's your ex-DJ, and it's me, Stephanie. Oh my God, it's so thank you
It
very
feels
much
weird,
for
right?
yeah, but you know, I feel comfortable.
Yeah.
She feels comfortable.
Yeah.
Good. By the way, I am your third DJ
That's very
for Sound K
interesting.
today for Family Day, and you're tuning to Arirang Radio, and I have a special, very special guest, our former DJ of the Sound K, Stephanie,
my
and she is back in the town.
I am back.
What up? So,
So
I
good
know
to see
in
you
the
guys.
first half of the show, we've heard a lot of stories about each one of us, you know, from Nick, Sammy, Wonkai, Corey, and of course, Leah.
Oh, I
But-
missed that? Oh, man.
Well, you're walking outside. Anyway, so
was waiting.
now we want to hear some stories from you.
Stories
So,
from me?
How have you been?
Just random stories.
Yeah.
How you been?
How have you been?
Busy. Playing the 7 different characters. That was actually the musical. That was
Right.
about 4 years ago. But I literally just finished my act at the play not too long ago. And busy with the TV programs, and I
That's
was
nice.
performing, singing. Yeah.
Well, speaking of TV program, I've been watching this Idol School where you're supposed to teach all the kids. You know,
Yes.
how's that
Oh
going?
my goodness.
Oh, well, I'm done with that.
You are.
9 members debuted
Wow.
Nice.
And it ended last week, right?
last week.
See, I watched it. What'd you do?
See, what did you do?
support?
What did you do?
Okay, so
Keith?
next song. Just kidding.
Filming it.
Yeah, so I was very busy training, the students, but I am very glad. Well, they actually debuted,
Right.
and it was kind of overwhelming.
Yeah,
What's
I
the
can
team's
imagine you
name?
being a teacher.
What?
What's the team's name?
Team's name it's Promise, but it's with F, Promise.
Promise.
But in Korea, we don't have that, the
F sound.
F sound,
Yeah.
so we call it Promise. Don't laugh.
No, it was so original that I
Hey,
had to laugh.
24K, don't laugh
I
at
know.
Promise, okay?
We're gold bars.
Yes.
I accept it.
But thank you very, very much for inviting me, because I was so lonely at Chuseok, because most of the program, it's, it was recorded like way back to play, for Chuseok. But I was doing absolutely nothing. And
Just for today's family show,
That's the first.
because I really wanted to win this DJ thing. That's why I actually went to her, personally recruited her, bought her some drinks, and brought her over
oh
here.
my goodness. Well, actually, I forced him to pay that. Yeah.
Well, in the meantime, we got some messages from our listeners. Stephanie, she's back. So cool. From Natalie from Argentina. Miss Callie says, Stephanie, you're back. We missed you so much.
I
Knew
remember
would be
you
a special
guys.
guest. And one more rush from Indonesia says, oh my God, Stephanie, hello. Really missed you. And Pabo6 also miss you.
Oh, I missed you guys so much. I do recognize all these names.
Yeah, you do. I mean, they've been your loyal listeners.
Yes.
So, in my segment, I don't know if you have kind of noticed from the song that we played before. By the way, the song was 고칼로리 or High Calorie featuring Jongin by Dungs with 정영돈.
Love high
and
quality
Kids.
food.
So it's about food. Who doesn't?
Who doesn't?
So as you can see in front of our on the table, we have this beautiful salmon sushi.
But that's
Right.
not like high cal.
It's not high calorie, but it tastes good and everybody's hungry, right? So now what we're going to do is we're going to have Team Stephanie, Team Leah. Okay?
Oh.
And then each team during the song break will come up with the keywords. 3 keywords that the other team cannot speak. So for example, if other team says I, then you're not supposed to say I. So every time you caught up with it saying the keywords, then you have to eat one of the sushi. But then the thing is, 5 sushi are regular sushi, but rest 5 is filled up with plenty of wasabi.
Oh,
So enjoy.
Oh no.
Is this why that you're doing DJ? This is, you know,
Exactly.
why?
Very
I don't
good.
know.
I can be a DJ and you can eat that. Excuse me.
That's very good.
So,
Why are we doing that?
I don't know.
Alright, so
What do
now,
we get out of it? I don't know.
well, you get to eat.
Yeah, wait.
You get to fill your
Hold,
hunger.
hold on. What's the end goal here?
End goal here is
To him to win.
indulge him.
Just to enjoy. Just to
Okay,
enjoy.
all right.
You know, but I do have a question. What
Yeah.
do you guys this is battle, like DJ battle?
Yeah, this is a DJ
okay.
battle. I
Oh,
think.
Oh, so you guys are
Vote.
fighting each other.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Including me. I'm just watching
Yeah.
today. So it's just
Well, you are the original DJ, so.
But I like this. I like this
OG,
idea.
Junior. And then,
Right.
Yeah.
Anyway, so we're gonna decide a team right now. Okay, let's
Okay.
you two do the rock scissors paper, and then
Okay.
whoever wins picks two.
Why don't we just do this
Gentlemen.
right here?
Yeah,
This side
sure.
versus that
Yeah, we
side.
can do that. Yeah, we can do
One
that.
girl, two
Yeah,
guys.
you gotta cut time.
Yeah.
All right,
Yeah.
all right.
Yeah, come
Key,
on,
what are you
Pete.
doing? You're the DJ. Come on.
All right, so
Hey,
this
it's
is
your
what we're
time to
gonna
shine.
do.
Keep it up. Keep it up.
So I'm gonna give you guys about 3 minutes to think about the
3 minutes and are we gonna talk about
At the end of the corner.
In those 3 minutes, I'm gonna be singing. Because I thought, like Sammy, I thought everybody here was gonna perform. But apparently only Sammy and I are performing. So I brought this song.
마음대로인데 이거.
I don't know. So I brought this song called
He's doing whatever
Calorie
he
Song.
wants.
It's about
근데
food.
while you sing,
Yeah.
your mic's gonna be on. How
Right.
are we gonna talk if it's
You just talk amongst
Okay,
ourselves.
just
Listener.
or right.
Oh right,
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 Do we
right.
have to use sign language or something like that?
Okay, so
Okay, so Key, go ahead.
yeah, I'm gonna be singing the song, and then you guys are gonna be deciding which keywords. Like each
How
one of
many-
you come with
how
a
many-
keyword.
How many keywords?
3 keywords.
Three?
Three
Okay.
keywords.
3 keywords, but I
okay?
don't get this game.
So-
So
It's
we're
hard.
coming up with keywords that they
Yeah,
can't
and then-
say.
right, and
you
then
guys
give
have
it to
come
me.
up with
Ah.
words
You have to
we
give it
can't
to me.
say.
So I know all the keywords, but you guys don't know each other's keywords.
I get it.
Okay?
Oh.
See, you did not know that.
Every time,
Say that.
so every time someone says the keyword,
Oh, you're gonna
then
tell
I'm
us
gonna
to
tell
eat.
you.
But
You're
what
right.
if we don't say the keywords?
Well,
we
then
win.
I eat until the end. Until
What
the
if
end of
both
the
of you
song.
eat
all of them then? How
Until the
about
end
that?
of this, and on the end of the song, just if I don't get to find out, you guys
Yeah.
are not saying the keywords, then I'll eat all of them.
Let
I have that much.
How about we all just don't talk? Don't talk.
Or let's
The rule number 1, you do have to talk. Right?
Okay.
do some random,
All right,
thing.
so
Make
do the
Key to eat.
find the keywords, and while you guys doing the keywords, I'll be singing this Calorie song originally performed by Coffee 소년. 퉁퉁한 거라 믿고 싶겠지. 근데 사실은 너 뚱뚱해. 어떡해? 너 자꾸 먹으면 어떡해? 그러면서 다이어트 한다 왜 말해? 칼로리 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 지금 짜장면 먹니? 칼로리 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 맥주 한 잔 괜찮니? 칼로리 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 과자 또 들어간다. 칼로리 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 놀라는 척은 말기. 왜 물어? 남자친구한테 나 뚱뚱하냐고 물어. 심하면 때릴 거면서 작은 옷 날씬해지면 꼭 입자 하면서 옷장에서 섞일 거지. 칼로리 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 지금 짜장면 먹니? 칼로리 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 맥주 한 잔 괜찮니? 칼로리 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 과자 또 들어간다. 칼로리 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 놀라는 척은 말기.
이제 네 말 안 믿을래. 너 내일부터 다이어트 한다는
You guys are
말
thinking?
벌써 5년째야. 그리고 너 숨쉬기 운동 좀 그만해. 아, 이제 좀 뛰어야지. 아, 뛴 다음에 또 먹지 말고. 너 왜 그러니 진짜? 어? 너 왜 그러니 진짜?
숨쉬기 운동부터 다이어트 다 필요 없어. 이젠 그만 먹어. 그것도 참은 말 이제 말할게. 칼로리 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 지금 짜장면 먹니? 칼로리 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 맥주 한 잔 괜찮니? 칼로리 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 과자 또 들어간다. 칼로리 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 놀라는 척은 말기. 칼로리 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 커피에 시럽 넣니 칼로리 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 물 먹어도 찐다며 칼로리 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 치즈케이크 시켰니 칼로리 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 한번 계산해볼까 다 널 위해서야 다 널 위해서야 널 위해서야 이젠 조금만 먹자 Thank
Why
you.
were you singing if this was not an instrument?
Yeah, I was confused. I was like, I wasn't listening at first, and then
Yeah.
I put the headphones on. I was like, whoa.
Wow.
That was good, Key. I like that.
Thank you. Choose to see my embarrassment. I was just doing this by
It
all
was
by
good,
myself.
though.
Okay,
Thank
so
you.
we all got the words.
Yeah.
But the thing is,
When
it's
does
a
it start
time limit.
You don't know. You don't have to open it. It's just flipped. So that's ours.
Oh, no.
okay.
And this
Don't
is
look, don't
ours.
look, don't look.
Okay. Okay.
And we
Alright.
need to time it.
Okay, so now the time is.
Is it starting now?
17. So I'm gonna give you guys about 7 minutes. All right.
Okay.
7 minutes to talk about. But we got some messages. So we're gonna read
Okay,
it
let's read
first.
some message.
Okay, Paul Salvadora from United Kingdom says, "Hello guys, happy Chuseok. Hello Stephanie, it's nice to see you again. I miss you. Take care. Love you, Paulina."
Paulina, I do remember.
And,
Is it
uh,
starting now?
much.
Are we starting?
No,
starting,
we haven't
Oh,
started yet. We haven't started yet. So, let me introduce the team. Stephanie first. Team Stephanie is composed of course, the leader Stephanie, Nick, and Sammy.
What's up?
And
what up?
our team Leah.
What's up?
Yes, Leah consists of course Leah, Corey, and Wong Kai.
Yes.
So let me just. Okay,
Yeah.
I'm looking at their keywords and
We
you guys
have
are
to make it to eat the
you guys are mean. You guys are mean. Okay.
Can you keep track?
Yeah, I can keep track. So I'm gonna just and then I'm gonna point at someone.
Okay.
Then
So
that person has
we don't
to
have
eat.
to say anything, right? About
No,
being wrong.
you have to talk about something.
No, as in
please.
like if they say a word, can we pinpoint that or we just leave that to
No,
you?
no. You have to leave that to me
Okay,
to
okay.
make sure
Point.
that they don't understand
Oh my
it.
goodness, where you're from?
I'm from Australia.
You're from Australia.
Yeah.
He does have
Australia,
I like that.
Texas, Oregon.
I am from
Did you just say Oregon?
Curry and Oregon.
Curry. You call me Curry, and then you call me Oregon.
Oregon. I'm sorry.
Oh
I'm sorry.
God.
My bad. And
hilarious.
Leah from outer space. Okay. So, right, you guys ready?
So if you say, oh, never mind. Okay, I got it. Sorry.
So if we
Yeah,
survive through
yeah.
all 7 minutes, then
I get to
needs
eat
to
everything.
eat.
Right.
Okay, I got
Get
it.
it?
Yeah.
I'm ready. I'm so pumped.
All right. You guys ready? Set. Now.
Go.
Go.
Woo!
This is very awkward
So
moments.
how's your day today? What'd you do?
Fantabulous.
Fantabulous?
How was your day today? Okay.
How was you?
How was you today?
How was you?
All right, just in the meantime, our listeners, whoever guesses their keywords right and then put it into our message board, then we'll send you a gift.
Oh, that's nice.
Alright.
What
Just
gift?
stay
What
tuned.
gift?
Don't be too afraid to.
Yeah.
Right. I mean,
Yes.
they're nice sushi. They're pretty good places. I personally went there and bought them.
Personally bought it.
If I miss it, then too bad. I'm sorry.
What?
Anyway,
Yo,
I'll try to be fair. I'll try to be
Okay,
fair.
okay.
Yeah.
Yo, do you guys like sushi though?
I love sushi.
I love sushi too.
You like it?
Okay, this game goes on to 20.
It's
Is it amazing?
Sorry, about a minute.
26 minutes,
it's good.
Is it amazing?
No.
It's not.
No.
What did you guys write?
What are you guys doing, man?
Wait, are we allowed to say our words?
Yeah. You can.
Yeah, we can say our words.
Right.
Okay.
Leah has to eat one.
Oh!
Oh, I'm sorry.
What was it?
I'm sorry. Oh, no, Leah.
What?
it was
They
not Leah,
have to
was
eat it, not
Oh,
us.
they have to eat it.
Who said it?
Who said it?
Stephanie actually said it, so why don't you put
I said
one?
it?
Yeah, you
What
said
did I
one.
say?
Can you tell us what
I'm
the
not
word
ready
is?
to say
What did
anything. I'm
I
just
say?
like a super.
What did I
I don't even
say?
remember our words.
Yeah, me neither. I was like, wait, hold on. What?
Use your finger.
Yeah, you with your
Use your
finger.
So
So there's no
Yeah.
soy sauce?
No, some stuff have very high, dense wasabi.
Oh my goodness,
I
for
don't know.
real?
Did you put a lot in there?
Okay, I'm gonna
A
try.
lot.
I'm gonna try one. Let's see.
But she might pick one that's not
Yeah.
full of wasabi.
Because there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 10.
5 wasabi one,
So
5
it's
regular one.
50% chance right now.
I know.
Go eat your sushi, girl.
Okay.
Here we go.
Here we go.
That looks plump.
Oh my gosh.
That looks
You can just see
I
the
saw the
green
green.
oozing out.
I saw the
No,
green.
that seemed like it was
No,
a
is that
normal.
normal?
That was high.
Is it normal?
ASMR right
Okay,
now.
all right.
Oh, there's some soy sauce in them.
Yeah, some soy sauce.
No,
Alright.
It's not bad.
it's okay. Which
okay.
is this?
누나 그거 다 먹으면 안 돼요.
Can you please leave some for us, please?
But I picked the normal one.
Oh, okay, okay,
okay,
okay, okay.
Okay.
What was that green?
But by the way, what did I say?
I'm not sure. I don't remember.
Okay, so
You don't remember?
how do you
Wait.
guys plan to spend this weekend?
Well,
Chilling.
Turn up.
Chilling like a J.
Get lit.
we're. When's the weekend? Is it today?
Well, I mean,
Yeah.
starting from tonight, we are going to go into a weekend, right?
Right.
Yeah, because it's Friday.
Well,
All right, now because it's been already 3 minutes,
We need
I'm gonna give you a penalty. Okay,
Okay.
if you don't
5
talk for
minutes
5
left.
seconds,
We talking.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, we're talking.
But 5 minutes left.
Okay.
I'm on the
Until
mic.
26.
So, what's up, guys?
So how you doing?
What's going on?
I'm doing great.
So what's your plan for the weekend? That was the
Yeah,
question.
Yeah, I asked a question. Please
ignore
pay
the
attention
DJ.
here.
So what are you doing? What
Pay
are you gonna do?
attention.
I went to the furniture store today. Got some new curtains.
Yeah.
Curtain.
Like what else did you see there?
Nick, Sammy
yeah.
has to eat them.
Oh.
I missed it.
See, I told you, some guys are mean.
That was. I think it's what.
Yeah.
I think it's what.
I think that could be it.
Okay, here we go.
I'll tell you, it's not what.
Sammy, Sammy.
You guys have to keep dragging each other's out so that you make sure that you guys say that.
But I
words.
wanted to eat one, so.
All right.
Was it filled with wasabi?
Are we doing ASMR again?
Oh.
That sounds good.
No, is it normal?
Who do you
Obviously,
think?
it's normal.
Who would you think would be the best eater for wasabi out of our team?
Wasabi?
Yeah. Just
Out
us-
of this team?
Yeah.
Okay, that was so
I don't know. I guess you?
Me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you want to try?
That was a really random question.
No, because I'm not good at.
No.
I'm not
the
good
thing
at
is,
eating hot things.
he was really, putting you two into a trouble. But then the good thing was, you answered well.
Oh,
You
yeah.
almost
You
got
coped with
into
it well.
trouble.
Oh.
Yeah, you almost got
Try to
in.
trap me?
Okay, 2 minutes.
All right. Who do you
All right,
think?
from this
Let me
team-
ask one more question.
Okay, sure, yeah.
Who do you think would be the second best eater for wasabi? No, your honest opinion.
Randy, why
Your
are you
honest
so
opinion.
into
Second
wasabi?
best.
Okay.
Oh. Second best.
Uh-huh.
Leah?
Okay, Nick has to eat.
I'm sorry, you gotta eat.
I was gonna put it out there. Nick loves wasabi and
Oh,
salmon.
really?
He does? Okay.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Oh. Hey.
Yes.
Hey,
So, how you doing?
I literally went silent for like 5 minutes, I think, right?
I know, so Corey has to eat something.
No.
You have to say something.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah?
Yep,
It's
yep,
good.
yep.
oh yeah?
That's good?
This one has a lot of wasabi.
Did you see
I
his
just saw
teeth,
his
man?
face. I mean, his mouth is full of like
eating it
green
well, though.
stuff in there.
Is it spicy?
Is it spicy?
Is it?
Well, it's pretty spicy.
It's coming, it's
Man.
coming.
Yeah.
Dude,
Oh,
you
my
handle
nose.
it very
Oh,
well.
you don't need another one.
You gotta eat another one.
Yes.
You just said it again.
I'm sorry.
What?
Yeah.
My eyes are watering.
You gotta eat another one.
my
You gotta eat
God.
another one.
It's really
Okay.
spicy.
One more, one more.
Yeah. one more.
Okay.
Come on, Nick, you can do it.
30 seconds left.
If you guys can see, I'm
Okay,
crying.
when is for you guys, okay, what's the favorite time of the day?
Why
May.
you trying to trap us?
No, I'm asking, well, I'm trying to be fair. I'm trying to be
Did
fair.
you wait? Hold
Okay.
on. Did she get? You gotta
said
get
May?
penalized for this. Say
Why?
that again.
Why, she's-
Penalized.
Penalized.
Ask that question
Okay,
one more
what's
time.
your favorite time of
and
the
say
day?
exactly what you said.
May.
I said May. I got confused with the question. I thought it was what time is your favorite.
That was really good.
What was that?
I thought the question was gonna be what time of year is your favorite month? I mean,
What
What's
time?
up?
Are you
It's
even
all over the
You're
place.
thinking.
I think
You're
Liam
like
needs to have
beyond
one.
dyslexic. This is like an atomic.
what month is your favorite year? I thought that was his question, but I didn't
Yeah.
listen to it.
Well,
you listen to it.
you never listen.
I never listen, so sometimes I get it right, sometimes I don't.
I think that's why you're being a DJ.
Anyways, if we only, well, seriously,
Okay, we'll have just one more minute. Okay, one more
well,
minute.
yeah, one more
Yeah.
minute, which is,
So get us
We
to
kinda
try to
have to-
say it then.
you will never say.
Oh, I will never
Do
say
you
it.
like Do you like sushi? Yes or no?
No.
You don't like sushi?
No.
Why?
Do you like sushi?
Because the answer
So
is
you don't like sushi.
no.
So you like sushi. So you don't like sushi.
I know what your thing is now.
Sam is really, really bad at this game. I know that.
He's trying so
What do you-
hard.
alright, hold on.
You guys have to eat.
Okay, fine. I'll say yes. There you go.
Yeah, baby.
All right,
There you
Leah.
go.
Was that the
Whoop-de-doo.
word?
Yeah, Leah, you has to eat one.
Okay, Leah, you'll be the
jeez.
final.
Yes.
I said that.
Dude, it's actually really
Put
good.
some lemon tartare on there.
Yeah, we need some soy sauce.
Yeah.
I'm pretty hungry.
You're hungry?
Yeah.
Don't
Oh,
check.
you have to eat
Yo, you
that.
gotta eat that. You gotta eat that. You have to eat that one.
You have to eat
You
that.
have to
Oh,
eat
dude,
that
that
one.
one is
Yeah.
packed. Yeah, that one is packed. I can see it from the back.
Hey.
No.
Okay, do I have to go for the first one that I did? Go
No,
ahead.
you gotta go for the second one that you did. The one before
You
that.
realize that rice is green.
Oh, you just put that in your mouth.
You gotta eat that.
You just put that in your
Whoa.
You
mouth.
gotta
Yeah.
eat that now.
You gotta eat
Can I
it.
get some soy sauce though? Like I'm
No.
not really good at eating raw fish.
Oh,
like
yeah,
raw.
Leah.
That's not raw, because that's got plenty of wasabi in there. Chew!
Eat it.
Chew!
Oh man. Is that what
Put it all in your mouth.
plenty of wasabi? Ew!
That was amazing.
Alright, I
This
do
is
know
Yeah,
this.
good job, good job.
Oh, man.
Okay,
All right, so
now
let me just
was fun.
reveal each one's keywords.
Look
Okay,
at Leah's face. Chew. You have to chew it up.
here.
Okay.
All right. Anyway, so Team Stephanie had a keywords of table, sunset, and yes.
Table.
I don't know what
See?
they were thinking. I don't know what they were thinking, honestly.
Sunset?
It's something that you guys will never speak because we try to make key to eat.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
That was the plan.
And then Team Leah, first keyword was Leah Corey one kind. Number 2
it
was
spicy?
key. Number 3 was yeah.
Wait, so they have 3 words in one.
They
You
have-
can't
But they
do
have to
that.
say
Six words.
all at the same time.
Ah.
Like Leah Corey one kind, then that's the
You
time.
guys only got
Key.
wrong a lot of times.
But you guys said yeah quite a few times.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
Oh,
We
we had
say
a
that.
similar one.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. No,
Anyways,
exactly.
All right, so that means
So we won. Yeah.
that means
All right, I'll eat one.
the leftover ones.
You gotta eat it.
He needs to eat. That was what I was
There we
talking
go.
about.
Okay. Hey.
All right.
Go, Key. Key, you have to eat all of them. You know, I don't care if there's wasabi in it.
Yo, they
or
put
not.
a lot of wasabi in there.
Like, he put it. He put it.
Oh.
Dang, no.
Oh,
Are you gonna do it
coming.
all like back to
Alright,
back?
I think that hit him right away.
Can you please show us how many
Okay.
you have left?
He's already.
All right, we got 4.
Okay.
All right, we're gonna go with the. All right, the first one had a
Oh,
lot
that's
of
not
wasabi.
bad.
Did we eat all the ones with
inside-
wasabi?
No, they hit it inside.
put it
the-
inside.
They put it inside.
this one looks
Everything
pretty
is green right now. All of them.
This
It's-
one, I don't know if you can see it. The rice is green rice.
It's like
just
Hulk. Hulk
Yo,
sushi.
look at his forehead. It's sweating right now.
He's already sweating.
There's like beads of sweat, like just like emerging.
Oh, water is, no water. Leah
talking,
drank
keep
it
talking.
all.
No water.
Anyway, that was an amazing game. Thank you.
All right.
Q.
That
yeah,
was
so,
actually
was
funny.
really fun
you
game.
guys have to,
Thank you. Our writer
all
was kind enough to bring
water.
in water.
She's
Thank
so
you.
nice. Our
All right,
writer's
so
so nice.
now to the now we're gonna move on to the next DJ.
Oh my gosh, your
this
face is red. You're like bleeding from your face.
This is a family day for Sound K, and we have the only one DJ left. That is One Kind. You guys
Yeah.
make sure you guys send us a message. Who's gonna be the best DJ for today's event?
Dude, this is the first time I've
you
ever
gonna
heard
survive?
Key mumble.
Are you gonna survive?
Anyway, so I'm gonna send this show to One Kind now, and this is Ending by Stephanie.
Yeah, come on.
What up, everybody? I'm back, and this is your DJ on Sound K. I know it's been so long, and I just want to tell everybody that's tuning in, I really missed all of you guys, and I hope everyone is enjoying their Chuseok. And for this segment, we're going to give out advices and tips on things that you're pondering about, such as your future, relationship, etc. And our team, Leah, Nick, Corey, Sammy, Key, and Stephanie, we'll do our best to help you out. So send in your questions right now to Sound K. And the first track for today will be by Unfair, One Kind, Yo Vibe. Check it out.
Nice.
Amazing.
That was good. That was good.
I just want to say, like, It feels so good to be in this seat. I think it was like 2 years ago I was in this seat.
He's enjoying
I
it.
know. He's like, give it to me.
He's like 5 seconds, 30 seconds. Okay, we gotta go. We gotta go. He
I
was
feel
so
good.
nervous.
But I feel like the previous segments were all about us.
Right.
So I feel like this segment should be about the listeners and
Time.
everyone all around the world that's tuning in right now.
Right.
So I have questions ready. And out of all the listeners' question, we will pick the best question. And that question will win a signed CD
let's do
from
that.
me. From me.
Yay.
All right. So are you guys ready to give out your advices and your tips?
Yes. Do we have a problem?
Yeah.
The little knowledge that I have.
It could be about a problem. It could be about anything.
Such a fighter.
Yeah. So the first question is from 94_Arwa. She says, I graduated a year ago from university and I'm still lost. I can't find myself. I don't know what to do. What should I do?
No major and no. Oh, man, we need some details.
Yeah, she just said I graduated 1 year ago and I'm still lost. Yeah, so.
Well, you know, that just tells you school is not always the answer.
Okay.
Wow.
Impressive. Mic drop right there.
Okay.
No, seriously, what did you guys do after the graduate? I actually couldn't go to school because I debuted so early. But I tried to finish school, but I couldn't because of my job. So
I quit midway too.
Okay.
So
But were you like confused?
I was confused, but I feel like I guess I could just talk about my friends instead because they just all went the normal college life. But after they graduated maybe 2 years ago now, but a lot of them still don't know what they're doing exactly.
Yeah, it's normal, I think.
Yeah.
Right? But I don't know if.
Who graduated college here?
Wow.
I graduated college.
I mean, but in my case, I went to college at the age of 24 because I started working when I was 19, and then I was teaching. I was doing arirang, I was doing all the radio and stuff, and then I realized that I really needed to study more to get the firm job.
Right.
So I did go to college, and then I came back, and I still doing the same business, but then school is not the only answer because I even went to the graduate school. I quit everything last year. And I went to China to study.
Right.
And I came back here again.
That was bold action, actually.
That was. I remember
really
that
was.
day.
But then the thing is that what I really wanted to tell you is my slogan too is that do it. If you do it and regret it, or not do it and regret for your rest of your life. So I'd rather try something, when you're young. And later you're gonna find out what you really love.
Yeah, I think she.
Oh yeah, I believe so.
I
Arwa.
think she needs to try out the something that she wants to do. Like if she wants to become a fashion designer. I don't know. I don't know the details, but I think having a part-time job and see what happens, and then maybe she can choose the way I don't know.
No one knows what we're gonna do. I mean, for God's sake, I majored in business.
Yeah,
So.
he majored in film. Like he's doing something completely different.
Wow.
So and all my other friends
Something
that
different,
majored in something, they're doing something completely different.
Uh-huh.
So
Yeah.
I think but we don't have any details. Like, is it because they can't get a job, or is it because they don't know how to do interviews properly, or is it because
I just feel like I went to college too. I majored in business administration.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
Oh, you did it.
Yes, I did.
I like how she just took that card.
I'll bring out my
away from you.
degree. But I did that because my parents wanted me to go to college, but my passion was music. So I just want to say, Arwa, just follow your passion or follow a hobby that you like and just go with it, and I'm sure you'll find
Figure
your way.
out.
Right.
All right, next question. This is by Siska Andriani. Give me advice. How can I lose some weight but have so big appetite?
and no exercise.
Is the question like, how could I eat this much and still be this hungry? Or
And no exercise at all.
How can she lose
No
weight?
exercise at all.
Yeah. I'm sure you ladies have tips, right?
Yeah, but man,
Without working out?
without working out and eating. And doing nothing, you gain weight. If you do that, you gain weight.
Yeah, there's no way you're gonna lose it.
Okay, me for normally I do wear tight clothes.
Okay.
Because the tension
Right.
of your body, you know, you have to
Tension.
suck your tension.
No, that makes sense. That makes sense. That makes sense. Because when you start,
Seriously.
when you start feeling bad about yourself, you tend to wear more loose clothes. But then when that happens,
I don't
your,
really wear
your
loose
body
clothes.
gets more like
Comfortable.
comfortable. But when you wear tight clothes and you start seeing your little pudge pop out, you're like,
You have to
Pudge.
suck your
yeah,
belly.
You're like, oh,
Oh, that's a
yeah.
vocab of the day. Pudge.
and
Pudge.
wearing heels actually helps.
Wearing heels?
Then,
For real?
but you're not gonna wear heels.
Oh, I'm not gonna, but that's just, I didn't know there was science behind
I'll
it.
think about it.
It
I'll
makes
think about it.
the strength in your
Pros-
core.
Yeah.
And it
Yeah.
shapes your legs.
So
Okay.
put a little tension, wear high heels, and just be confident.
You know, a
You
lot
just gotta
of the
work out.
fashion, working out is the best. But you know, fashion models, they do it like at night. They walk on heels for 30 to 40 minutes. They do that for them.
All right, before we move on, we got to check out.
What was that?
We got to check out the next
called
song.
the
That was pretty quick. That was pretty quick.
It's by Loco featuring Punch Nello and Thur, and it's called Party Band. We'll be back.
I'm not
Stephanie.
gonna tell you if you do that.
We'll be back. Oh yeah. That was by Loco featuring Punch Nello, Thur, Party Band. I love that beat.
I love them.
Yeah. All right, we don't have a lot of time left, so I'm going to move on to the next question. And this is for the fellas. This is from Australia, Samantha. She says, if you could travel anywhere in the world, what country would you visit and why? So we'll start with Sammy.
Yeah, I'm from Australia, so G'day,
Okay.
Samantha.
No, but if you could go to
What
No,
country?
so I'd probably go to like Europe, like Amsterdam. I really want to check out Amsterdam.
Nice.
Specifically,
Yeah,
right?
specifically, yeah.
Okay. Nick?
I want to go to Australia actually, for real.
Okay.
Yeah, Sammy's family's there. I kind of want to check them out.
Anytime, brother.
Yeah, so
Alright.
Australia be dope.
Australia
beef.
to visit Sammy's family. Wow.
It's like,
Visit Sammy's
Great.
family. Why don't you
point.
leave your address and you know they can visit your house?
all right, next, Corey, where you want to go?
I don't know. I've been like bouncing back and forth. It's been like the lifelong question for myself because I've always wanted to go backpacking somewhere like, where I could have like a really profound experience.
Nice.
And
Australia.
Like
other than
India, a lot of people.
yeah,
in
like
India.
India, Egypt. It's been like bouncing around. Amsterdam. I don't know.
Let's go, man.
I still let's go.
Me.
I haven't
You
decided.
should follow the Eat, Pray, Love book.
What?
The Eat, Pray,
Eat,
Love bug.
pray.
You know what I'm
You
talking
should
about.
eat, pray, love right now.
Thank you.
I'm
Exactly.
All right.
Amen.
All right, Key, where do you want to go?
Recently I've done some event with a Bolivian embassy.
Oh.
And then I had to present like a Bolivian tourism business.
Can you say hi in Bolivian to all the Bolivian fans out in the world?
I was doing
Putting
it in
him on
English.
the spot.
I was doing it in English. I was doing it in English. Anyhow, so
Alright.
but then I saw this Uyuni Desert. That place I really wanted to go. It takes about at least 10 days for going back and forth. But then that's one of the things that I really want to go. If the producer lets me go.
Cool. All right, the next question is a very interesting question. It's
Okay.
from Asiya.
Okay.
Asiya.
I see you.
I see.
I'll see you.
And she says, I'm dentist to be.
Oh.
So how can I become more confident in myself? I'm about to start working with patients in a few months. I'm pretty nervous. Stephanie.
Wait, what? What was the question?
She's going to be a dentist soon. And she's going to work with patients in a few months. And she's very nervous. How can
To
she
meet
be...
people?
How can she be more confident to work with the patients?
The thing is, if
Yeah.
you look, nervous in front of the patients, and they're not gonna trust you. You have to act.
Especially with your teeth, right?
Oh my goodness! Now
I think this is a cavity, but I'm not sure, but I'll do it.
it's very dangerous. You always have to be so confident.
Yeah.
You know, it's like it's trustworthy.
I actually suggest her or him taking classes like speech lessons. I personally teach at some of the private classes, and then they
What are the tips?
a lot of teachers. I mean, you have to be up to date all the time, to relax the patients. Like for example, like the easiest thing is, did you watch that funny show yesterday? How did you like it?
approach as like,
how to communicate? So that kind of helps. Because a lot of doctors, for some reason, because they've been studying for quite a long time, they don't know how to talk with
What
like
if-
none other than
Key, that's a good advice.
Yeah.
Can I drop something too? What if
Go ahead, Corey.
what if the patient is a super introvert person?
Oh, then they don't like you talking to them.
What do you do then?
Well, you kind of get the idea.
I think
like once come in and they're like this angry face. Then
If
you
the
don't,
answer,
right.
patient's answer is short, then that means that
Right,
you know
they
they
don't
don't
wanna
want to
talk.
talk.
Right.
There are
They don't wanna
signs.
talk.
I
So get the
think
hell in the cavity,
speech class will help you to experience all types of people.
Right.
Introvert, extrovert. All right, one more question.
Wow.
This is from Sophie. She says, "What are 3 things that you can't leave home without?" I think.
Leave.
3 things. We gotta make it quick. Go ahead, Stephanie. 3 things.
My wallet.
Okay.
Yeah. Credit card, cell phone.
Okay, that's 3.
Isn't
Car
that all
key.
All right,
once?
all right, Sammy.
Phone, wallet, and those are the only 3 things.
Those are 2.
Yeah,
Okay.
so 2. Yeah.
All right, Nick.
Phone, wallet, and headphones.
Oh.
Corey.
Headphone.
Ditto.
Same.
Yes.
Key.
Phone, laptop, wallet.
Okay.
Oh, laptop.
Leah.
Leah.
Phone, shirt,
Okay.
Leah, phone and your soul.
my head, my mind.
Okay.
Your brain is back into your house right now.
Well, that's it, you guys. I'm gonna have to hand the mic back to Leah. But the
Okay.
best question was, Asia, you win a signed CD from me. All right, go ahead.
Awesome. All right, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed our Chuseok family special show.
Yeah.
Before we close off, I think we need to give a big thank you to Stephanie for coming out today.
It was so good to be here.
So nice to
Loved
see
it.
her, and we're gonna get crazy after the show, but that's to see
Okay.
her.
Always.
And to all of the guests, we just want to say Happy Chuseok to all of you too.
Thank you. Happy
And thank you
Chuseok.
for
Thank
coming
you.
out
Chuseok,
on
everybody.
Friday. That normally isn't your day except for one kind.
Yeah.
So thank you guys so much, and we hope all of our listeners enjoyed this different show. I think they would all very much like it, right? guys?
Yeah. Hope so.
All right. Well, we're gonna go ahead and close off our show today. If you won a prize today, if I think One Kind and Nick and Sammy are gonna choose, make sure you guys leave your address on our message board. Our last song is gonna be Tala by RPQ, featuring One Kind and Phoebe. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Stay blessed. Bye, guys. Thank you so much.
Bye.
Happy Tuesday.